As you can see, this torsion spring recently broke. Understanding its specification numbers can help to find a correct replacement. Let's look at its technical specification numbers. The first number is 31776. This number is most likely a manufacturer-specific part number. Unless you are getting your replacement from the same manufacturer, this number is not very useful. Next is the number 262. It is industry standard measurement. It refers to the wire diameter of the spring, which is 0.262 inches. Last is a number 39. The number 39 represents the overall length of the spring, which is 39 inches without the end cones. 4 specific measurements are generally required for identification of the exact replacement, so these numbers are not sufficient. Let's look at this new replacement spring. It includes wire size, inner spring diameter, overall spring length, and lastly direction of the spring winding. All 4 parameters are marked. In case there are no technical parameters on a spring at all, we will show how to obtain them in the next video.